Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Genie effect when minimizing window on Mac. So, whenever you minimize a window, macOS plays a short animation before placing the window into the dock. The Genie effect is the classic macOS animation that makes a window appear to shrink and fold smoothly into the dock icon. Many users prefer that animation because it gives macOS a structured look and feels more visually appealing than the alternative animation. So if you'd like to use Genie effect when minimizing windows, here's what you need to do. First, click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock and then click on the drop down menu right to Minimize Window Animation and choose Genie effect. And now whenever you minimize a window, you will immediately see a classic Genie animation that makes the window appear to shrink and fold smoothly into the dock icon. Let me show you once again. As soon as I minimize this window, you can see the effect. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.